Good morning, everyone. I am Ms. Vaishnavi Muraskar, teaching assistant at Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. So let's begin with the unit one, Introduction to Cybersecurity. When we talk about cybersecurity, many people think about only computers, but in reality, it's much broader. It's about protecting everything that connect to our network, that is our phone, laptop, cloud accounts, even a large infrastructure system like railways and the power plants. In this unit, we shall see what cybersecurity really means, why it is important today, and the kind of threats we face, and even how it connects to our field of civil engineering. So, what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is basically the shield that protects digital system and data. It ensures three things. First, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So, think of confidentiality as lock on your diary. Only you should read it. Integrity means no one should be able to change what inside without permission. And the availability means you should be able to open that diary whenever you want. Now scalp up the to banks, hospitals, or governments networks. If these principles are broken, that's why the cybersecurity become a backbone of our digital world. Next, what is cybersecurity matters today, or why is cybersecurity such a hot topic today? First, our personal data is everywhere, from Aadhaar to bank OTPs. Everything it is digital. If attackers steal this, it's a huge risk. Second, there's the financial losses. Ransomware attack, for example, can cost companies crore of rupees. Third, it ensure business continuity. Imagine if Amazon and Google suddenly shut down due to an attack. Even a few hours can means massive losses. And finally, nation's infrastructure. Our electricity, airports, water supply all run on the digital system. Without cybersecurity, they are open targets. So it's not just an IT concern, it's a link to economy, safety, and governance. Next, common cyber threats. Now, what are the common type of attacks we faced? First is hacking. Hacking is unauthorized entry into a system, like someone breaking into your houses through a weak lock. Hackers exploit weak points into software. Next, phishing. Phishing is a very common. You might get an email saying your bank balance will be blocked. Click here. The moment that you click and you enter your details, your data is gone. Third, malware include viruses, worms, and spyware, basically harmful software that can damage or steal data. Fourth, ransomware is particularly dangerous. Attackers lock your files and ask for money to unlock them. Hospital and universities have been frequent victims of these. So you see, the threats are both technical and physiological, playing an fear and trust. Next next topic is cybersecurity in civil engineering. Now let's link to this civil engineering. You might think cybersecurity is only for computer scientists, but that's not true. First, our critical infrastructure like dams, bridges, sensors, flood control system, all are connected to the network. If they hacked, they can causes disasters. Next, in smart cities, traffic signals, CCTVs, water supply sensors, everything is IoT based. If attackers take control, imagine the losses. Next, construction project. We we use CAD drawings, GIS data, and project schedules. If those are leaked or tampered with, it could be lead to project delays or huge financial losses. And in automated construction, we use drones and GPS guided machines. If someone hacked them, they could causes actual physical harms. So yes, in even civil engineers need to think about the cybersecurity. Next topic is regulation and the ethical responsibilities. Since the risks are so high, there are global standards like ISO, IEC, like sections or GDPR tell us how to use manage data securely. But beyond the legal complications, there's something more important, that is ethics. As engineer, we have a responsibility to protect public safety and maintain a trust. If our designs and research data get misused, the impact can be huge. So cybersecurity is not just a technical practice, it's also a ethical responsibility. Next topic is the evaluation of cyber threats. Cyber threats didn't appear overnight, they are just evolved. First in 90s, first in 1980s or 90s, people created virus mostly for fun or curiosity. In 2000, things become serious. Phishing and spyware started targeting money. In 2010s, ransomware become common. Now entire nation use cyber attack against each other. And now today's, that is 20s, attackers using AI, machine learning, and IoT hacks. So the takeaway here is a simple: attackers evolved, and so must our defenses. Next, impact of cyber threats on society. The impact of cyber threats is visible everywhere. On on a personal level, it's a identity theft, stolen money, and the privacy violences. For businesses, it's downtime, data breaches, or losses of customer trust. For government, it could means election interference or attacks on defense. In or next, in healthcare, ransomware can literally delay the treatment or cost lives. And socially, cyber attacks spread misinformation, fake news, and create polarization in the society. So cybersecurity is not just about the protecting computers, it's about protecting people, economies, and the democracy. Next, building a secure digital future. So so what's the way forward? Laws and frameworks must be strong and enforced globally. Second, education and awareness. Every individual should know the basic of digital safety. For example, not clicking unknown links, using the strong password. Third, collaboration. Government and private sector must work together become because attackers don't follow borders. Fourth, investment in secure infrastructure. Future system must be built with the cybersecurity in mind, not added later as an afterthought. They This way we can make the digital world safer. So wind up to the topic. Cybersecurity is not just an IT subject, it's a life skill, a business necessity, and even an engineering responsibility. It protect our personal data, ensure smooth businesses, safeguard infrastructure, and keep nation secure. As future professionals and the engineers, it's important that we understood these issues and apply safe practice in our work. Thank you for your attention.